Hi, today I'm gonna show you how to do a hanging tropical parrot craft kit. Let me show you what you have in your craft kit. A red and yellow foamy, a barrel silhouette, a yellow string, a brown stick, you're gonna have one eye, white foamy, and a blue foamy. You're going to start with your yellow string and your brown stick. You're gonna introduce it like this, and you're gonna take it out from the other side, and you're gonna tie it. Now get your tropical parrot, and you're gonna put it like this on top of the brown stick. Turn it around. To make it stand, you're gonna put the legs in this way. Flip it back. Now take the small wing and you're going to place it on top of the big wing. Take the blue foamy and put it on his chest. Now take the yellow and black foamy and put it on his beak. Now take the white foamy and put it on top of his beak. And finally put his eye on top of the white foamy. And we're done making our hanging tropical parrot craft kit. Thank you so much for watching our videos. I hope you like it.